All right, today it's my privilege to show you a very rare find. I'm down in Florida, and one of my neighbors has two replica Cobras, and they are extraordinarily nice. These are factory 5 kits originally. The owner and master builder of both of these cars did these cars himself. He has since passed away, unfortunately. I never met him, but his neighbors and relatives loved him to death and said he was one of the best mechanics they ever met. So, with that said, I want to show you this one, and then the next one, which is a small block. This is a 427 Cobra. It's not a small block stretched out to 427. It is a real 427 Ford crane engine. These are the ones that blew everybody away back in 1965 or 66, I can't remember. I'm really a Corvette guy, but I love the Cobras too. So I'm going to help them find new homes for each of these special cars, and they truly are garage finds. They've been sitting collecting dust, battery tenders on them since he passed, undercovers, fired right up, and the closer I look, the more I like. Super low miles on these cars. I'll show that to you when I hop in. This one does have a tonneau cover that goes with it as well. Paint is beautiful. It is deep plum with the white stripes. I'll lift this up here. Nice and clean and tidy. You do have a kill switch right up in there. Everything I've tried works in them, like new. Dual roll bars. The factory style side pipes with burn guards on them. Obviously 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Nice car. I just dusted them off. They need vacuum. That's the only thing I can see that it needs. Let me find the door switch here. Here we go. Oh, before we do that, let me show you under the hood. Right there. That's fresh from Ford Racing, 427 big block. These were reported to build up about 500 horsepower. Which is a ton of horsepower in a car that I think weighs about 2,200 pounds. You can hear the fan running. That's heat activated. Just started it up, backed out of the garage. Really, really nice work. No corrosion of any kind. I mean, these cars have been kept covered and in garages since they were built and born. Very, very much like a brand new car. And I'm careful what I say about cars. After selling 900 classic cars and having a flawless reputation, I fully intend to keep it that way. Okay, let's do what you like, which is fire it up. It's what I like. I kind of resented these cars back in the 60s because I really was a Corvette fan, and there was no Corvette that could touch these cars. And the Ferrari guys hated them because they were kicking Ferraris butt in Le Mans and all that stuff. But truth of the matter is they were just awesome cars by Carroll Shelby, the design. So let's, you got a starter button right here. All of these switches over here work. Your lights and your fan and all that stuff. Wipers work. All the lights work. Fog lights, they're pretty cool. And here's your starter button right here. Simple cars. I mean, these were race cars. transmission trimming. That'll handle the power of this 427. If this doesn't get you excited, especially at the price we're able to offer it for, you're just not a Cobra guy. It's got like 600 miles. Let me see what it's got. 617 miles since the build. Driving them was not what he did. He loved building them. If you think you might like to get this beauty in your collection, and it is show quality, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319. You will see this car on my website, which is dreamcarsellers.com. Thanks so much for watching.